So from TeamViewer, you might get different notifications. And if you want to go ahead and change around the notification settings in TeamViewer, you can go around over here onto settings by clicking on the gear icon. And then what you can do is over here on the left hand side, click on notifications. So once you go ahead and do that around over here, I can go ahead and enter out the password that I have used for authentication. If you haven't set any, then it won't show up. So here you can see that Windows notification is turned on at the moment. So it says turn on push notification to receive them on the Windows sidebar. Apart from that, let's say for example, if you want notification for when the sessions start or end, then you can go ahead and turn this out as well. And that is simply it. You can go ahead and enable notification right here, or if you don't want any notification that is Windows notification from TeamViewer, you can simply go ahead and turn it off right there. So that is how you can work around with the notification settings inside of TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.